Now, children, we will see that what is the contribution of tourism industry in our economy. Children, we know that tourism is an important tertiary occupation. And already I have told you that how many types of occupations are there: primary, secondary, and tertiary. So, tourism is an important tertiary occupation. Through this occupation, the world gets introduced to regions' natural, social, cultural environment. Besides domestic tourists, foreign tourists also visit various places of interest, and therefore foreign currency increases in our economy. Already I told you that this is going to tourism always boost our economy by having more foreign currency. Understood? Which increases foreign currency in our economy. Along with these benefits, development of tourist places is there. Understood? Availability of employment opportunities to local people are also other good things that happen to that particular place. So that place will develop. Local people will get employment opportunities in that particular place. There will be enhancement of local artisans and other handicrafts and other things which is available there. Understood? So, considering the importance of tourism, the local residents became aware of conserving the region's natural beauty and culture. So, naturally, if that place is having tourist attraction, so that place will in there the condition will improve. Understood? The natural beauty and culture will increase. Tourism should be promoted through advertisement in various media, which will help in the growth of that particular region. So, children, we know that so many states, and they are giving advertisement. We know that very famous advertisement of MP. Understood? So we know that so many places are there in our country which is having natural beauty, religious importance. So this can be a boost to Indian economy. Ultimately, so many people will get employment. Understood? So naturally, tourism industry will increase Indian economy, and whenever the people from other country they will come here, so foreign currency will increase, which will increase the graph of foreign currency and the reserves of foreign currency in our country. Understood? So naturally, tourism industry will increase Indian economy.